Alright, here's the first serious ride on the Pioneer 500 since I did the Sportsman 1000 suspension conversion and the front locker and the 35% gear reduction. Huge success. I was really impressed with its ability to turn the tires in second gear two-wheel drive. That allowed me to go a little quicker. So ironically, my gear reduction made me faster because the difference between first and second is greater than 35%, and I could run in second gear, so therefore I was actually keeping up with the 1000 pretty well. Super fun ride. Compound's always got some good nasty mud. If you want more footage and want longer videos, there's a, 25-minute long version of this video on the Patreon page. Go check it out. So we're at the compound today, and they just got a decent amount of rain, which I'm pretty excited about. Water's actually flowing. Let's see how she climbs. This is a pretty good little step up here. Oh wow, that front locker, dude. This is where you can really appreciate how much more suspension flex this thing has. Richard! Oh, the locker works good. I was trying to take that out of 45 because I knew it was going to drop off, but once it pivoted, yeah, there's nothing you can do. Let's see if we can back down without flipping over. All right. And with my lift kit, it still doesn't have as much down travel as a lot of other bigger side-by-sides. All right, so Tim in the swamp run, we both have winches. He's got 29.5 Outlaw 2s, actually 30 Outlaw 2s, correction, the new Outlaw 2 size. And I've got 32 Aztecs, paddling along. Oh, I might struggle there. He's spinning. Man, those Outlaws just don't stop pulling. Need to bring a chainsaw next time though. I always find myself on these really nasty tiny trails because, well, that's where no one else goes. So that's where the good mud is. Now we're getting deep. I'm still in two-wheel drive. I'm gonna go to four-wheel drive just to keep up with him better. That's second gear. That's a hole. You got it, you got it. Outlaw's full. That's pretty impressive with the passenger. For me. Some Outlaws eat. That's an impressive amount of torque for a stock machine. Oh my goodness. No way! Just give it a little push, it's right there. That same thing, but I'm gonna try to not end up in the same rut. Dude, this thing is pretty effective. That front locker is something else. Totally transformed its capability. Fender just hit the clay bank right there. Not in the beer! So what I like to do in a situation like that is I actually will steer into the bank. So I'm gonna say that and be all cocky, then get stuck. But so I'll come up into here and I'll ride my tire up against the bank, steer towards it, so I don't lean over as far, and then you can build traction off that bank. Oh, that worked quite nicely. Yeah, so I kind of buried it in this one in two-wheel drive like a jackass. Oh yeah. Oh dude, I mean like the whole diff is just, it's sitting in concrete now. It's like chest deep and it's just like this down here. It's just soup.
Damn, I can't believe that.
Nah, you got cobras. Look at that flex. Oh yeah. Alright, got the snorkel extension installed. Science. It's floating! Yeah. Why is it floating? Look at the seats floated out. If you want to see more of this super deep water riding nonsense, there's a whole nother video on that, link in the description.